Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to make an offer live on Stronger Ads. First, you need to log into your Stronger Ads and your OfferFusion sites. Then you go to Offers, Create Offer. Open up the drop-down box and enter OfferFusion. Next, we find our offer. We want to be logged into OfferFusion. Go to our accounts, campaigns, and then we go down to Greg and click on the number next to Greg. Right, now I'm going to find a UK offer because I am on my UK IP and it'll be easier to explain. So, if we try this UK prize, email submit, UK traffic only. I'll click on the info, which will give me email submit, pays on the first page, valid info only, UK only, soft in sent, OK. I'm going to copy that, close the box, come over to my Hasoffers site and enter the information. I then come back to OfferFusion, where I'm going to copy the name of the offer, back into Hasoffers, and enter the name. Now I'm going to want the links. So I open up the next page, which is for links, and I will click on the example page. This gives me the URL of the offer without it being geo-targeted. Copy the URL, back into Hasoffers, and paste in the preview URL. Back over to OfferFusion, where I want the actual URL of the code. Now, what I want you to do is copy this from the variable, which is the XXX in square brackets, to the beginning of the HTTP. Copy this, open up a notepad, paste it into there. This is where we change the variable. We wish to change this to brackets, transaction, underscore, ID, close brackets. Note that these are no longer the square brackets. Copy this, drop that down, close this box, back into Hasoffers, paste it into the default offer URL. If you're not sure about the transaction ID variable, at the end we have a list of all the variables available to be used on Hasoffers with the transaction ID down here. Next, we want conversion tracking. We're going to use server postback with transaction ID. Click status to active. Move non-incentive, because soft incentive is allowed, over to OfferFusion. Take out the offer, copy the offer ID, back in, paste. Now we're looking for our revenue type. Revenue per conversion is, where are we again now? 80 cents is the revenue that we receive from that. So you would click enter 0.80. My calculator. 0.80 times 15%. We receive 15% commission on each offer. So if you times the offer payout by 15% and deduct that from the payout type, from the revenue type, we then have our revenue per conversion, which is 0.80, and this would be 0.68. We then add offer and divide and define targeting. Now this is a UK only offer. If it's US, you would add US offer. Add and save. And you'll see that the offer targeting is successfully saved. Now I like to add tracking for my own offers as I am creating them. So if I click on the traffic tracking button, you'll see I have a copy of the postback URL. I will copy this, go back to the offer, scroll down. This is where I select my own affiliate ID. You would select yours. This is just because I like to have the tracking ID in place. Like that. You'll see the tracking link automatically inserts itself. Scroll down to the bottom, select myself again. Again, you would either select yourself or another affiliate. And then I would paste in the postback URL and click on save. You'll now see conversion pixel URL successfully saved. If we go into offers, manage offers, you will see that the offer here is active. Click on the offer. Click on the test URL. And there we have it. That is how to make your offers live.